Hi everyone, my name is Akshay. I have completed my BE in Electrical Engineering from Govindrao Banjari College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. I got to know about eVision TechnoServe from one of my friends. eVision TechnoServe is an IT recruiting and consultancy company. In eVision, I had joined full-day online job internship. The internship program consists of Windows Server administration, switching and routing, virtualization, CCNA, cybersecurity, and ITIL. In Windows Server administration, I learn about workgroup, domain joining, DSCP configuration, Active Directories, and how to install OS on domain network, Outlook configuration, and troubleshooting. Regarding CCNA, I learned network fundamentals on all protocols, routing and switching technology. In cybersecurity module, I learned various hacking techniques using Kali Linux. I think every practical is equivalent to the IT company experience because we practice a lot and our trainers make sure that we learn each and every topic by theoretically and practically. The trainer's teaching was very good and it was a very great experience with eVision TechnoServe. Thank you.